hard. G-Sto Production. Straight up from Corsicana, Texas, y'all. On the mic. Where the beat the baddest habits. With Eazy-E, the double E. Y'all heard? Let go. Diddy, yeah, got her own one that daily. Diddy, yeah, go fuck up what she did, but you should want to date. Now that you get out with your move. You got to set your move. You got to wear your move. You got to say it, you got to what you do. Bye, bye, bye. What you do, what you and the bitch of daily. Hold up, man. I wanna make a shout out to my fucking people. What's good? 313. You know I was doing the same, man. Wanna hope for the live, man. Big time. Anyway, me and my nigga here, we ripping this thing for real. Y'all bitch ass motherfuckers don't even know how to do this thing for real. So this is how we do it, man. Let me show y'all what we do. I'm trying to lose it, had to try to move it, ain't nothing to it. Y'all just shut the fuck up. Y'all try to speed it up, y'all try to mix it up, keep it up, cause that shit fucked up. Try to live it up like how I live it up. That's why I'm going in, going out, going up. I don't give a fuck, fucking with me. I'ma smash your face with a fucking rug. Rug. Kids don't give a fuck about life. If I ain't got a gun, bet I got a knife. Yeah, you first and ask questions later. Read the fucking answers in the newspapers. We famous. Some business. Get jealous. And the latest. What up, cuz? This is Easy. I go by the name of Eazy-E. We just want to shout out to everybody out there, man. You know I got you, bro. But to all y'all motherfucking haters out there, we doing this big. I'm doing this hard. I'm hustling hard. This one for you motherfucking haters. Fuck y'all. It's me, Eazy-E. Back again with weapon on the track. I'ma get you, I'ma kill you, I'ma make sure they don't see you. I'ma make my niggas laugh right. Yeah, what they do you. You know what you up against, it's on. I'm out here looking one to do you from my heart. I'll be glad to work on them haters every time. You know I'm attending with my money in my mind. Money in my mind, yeah, I get it every time. Bitch, you used to think you wanna hit my bag. You just like a bitch dirt in the garbage bag. You be talking shit, nigga, just what you bag. Rapping on your damn shit, hot bitch, you whack. You be talking shit, nigga, say it to my face. I'ma bring it to you right here in this place. Fuck you, fuck y'all, you heard what I say, yeah. Yeah, I get that motherfucker, but what is you gon' do? What is you gon' do? Yeah, what they gon' do, man? They ain't got to do nothing. They some bitches, man. They never drop that shit, man. They whack. Man, y'all whack bitches. Fuck it, man. You killing something, man. This is how we do it, man. This is how we supposed to do it, motherfucker. You don't even know how to rap and shit like that. Fuck that. You gotta get the fuck out of here and go get a fucking live. Hell yeah, man. Fuck y'all the ball, bitch. Shout out. Motherfucking hate and motherfucking fake ass rap. Y'all ain't got